Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I'm on the road. I got this horrible noise. I think it's my AC compressor. Let me know if you guys think this thing will make it a few hundred miles or if I need to be worrying about it and bypassing it. The Panther's AC compressor is going out. The pulley is noisy as crap. I don't want to risk the compressor locking up, jamming up my serpentine belt, locking up my crank, and destroying the engine with bent valves and stuff. So I'm going to pull this belt off, put a shorter belt on. This is the shorter belt that you use to bypass the AC compressor. This belt is tight and it took a little bit to get on it. What I did was I laid the belt under the tensioner, over the power steering, under the alternator, over the idler, came down to the crank, got it halfway under the crank, and it was there. Then I put the tool on the crank and cranked it around until it got on there. Now I'm gonna pull the tensioner. So this is how that belt goes on there. Not sure if you can see down there, up over the power steering pump, under the alternator, across to the tensioner, down under the crank, over the crank, behind the tensioner. So I'm sorry, the first thing was the idler. So let me go ahead. Oh, I already released the tension. Let me start it up, see if we have any noise at all. Not sure if you can see down there, but that's my AC compressor. That thing, heck, it's even tighter now than it was. I got it loose. You hear it rattling around? So that thing's about to fall apart. You don't want that falling apart, risking your engine. Car's in neutral. We're going to fire it up, see if we're silent. We are silent. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.